Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. Time for another Dadhack. So, when you want a clothesline on your house, if you ever want to hang out your clothes to dry in the nice weather, oh yeah, get your boot back on. A quick little dad hack is run to Home Depot or Lowe's and you get one of these metal stakes. It's about 2 feet long. You have to slam it in the ground with a nice sledgehammer and a piece of wood, and then you just have your two 13mm bolts to secure it. And what you can do is just get a big piece of landscape timber or a post, stain it like we did. We got to actually restain it, but do a couple coats of stain. My wife put a little hook there, and then I have our retractable line right here. So it just connects. Pretty easy, pretty simple. My wife can hang all the clothes out to dry. I can hang all the clothes out to dry. And she even put up a nice little hook for a nice hanging plant. So, hope you enjoyed this dad hack. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Dadlife out.